Yo, guys! How's y'all's day been?
My day's been great. How's yours been?
I've been real good. Bit too good.
Another passenger got arrested behind Seville today. When aren't passengers getting arrested, though?
Well, to be fair, more people are reckless around the holidays more than any other time of the year.
Ain't that the truth? Are you okay, Steve? You've been kinda silent this week.
Well, to be completely real with you guys, I haven't been too happy recently. I've been thinking about it.
It? What do you mean by it? Wait, are you referring to...
Yeah, the Discord Railway. I know we've had a shit ton of Christmases on this railroad for the past 59 years I've been here, and by God, it's about to be 60 years since I arrived here. But I still miss the Discord Railway, and all of my old friends. Not that I'm saying I hate you guys. You guys are the greatest friends anyone can ask for. But you still miss your old home and friends, because it was where you started. Exactly.
What does this have to do with recently?
Because I was sold off to another railway on Christmas Eve.
Oh. I have an idea, Steve. Ever since I found out about the Discord Railway, I've always wanted to hear a story from when you, Noel, John, and the others worked there. Do you think telling a story from there would make you feel better?
That's a good idea, Chica. I think telling a story from your past would at least relieve your stress.
You know what? That's not a bad idea, guys. I've got it! I'll tell you about my personal favorite Christmas we had on the railway.
Ooh, that sounds great!
This ought to be good.
Alright then. Here it goes. The year was 1936. The Discord Railway had been open for 10 years at this point in time, and we were all standing as prideful as ever. One certain day, me, Noel, Guy, John, and another Discord Railway engine named Clayton were sitting in the yards, when our controller, Mr. Leonard, whom we called the Fit Controller, came to speak to us. Good day, you all. Listen, I have some unfortunate news. As you know, the annual Christmas festivities was supposed to happen tonight, but something happened that threw everything off course. The suppliers who normally stock our decorations, furniture, and food have unfortunately been cancelled due to the ship carrying them running aground.
What? Pah! Careless rookie sailors! So then, what are we gonna do about the Christmas fests?
Well, the company did say that they're willing to give us free replacement supplies, but their warehousing is too far away from the railway. So unless someone is willing to go all the way to the other side of the second province on this railway, then I'm afraid the Christmas festival is cancelled this year. I'm sorry, everyone, but without access to the Devoncar province, there's no chance we can do it this year.
I can't believe this! The festival's cancelled! How could this take it any worse?
I think I broke my 48th wheel. I got lots of my wheels changed out, if you know what I mean.
3 is not a number, you old senile fart! Steve, that was completely uncalled for! Don't be a dick to Noel for no reason! What? It's more fat than Stanley Baldwin being our Prime Minister!
So as you can tell, I was a huge dick back then. I would complain constantly about anything that bothered me, and only me, and in turn, I thought Noel was useless. Granted, he was in his 20s at this point, but he was still as crazy and senile as he is now. And I still thought he was old and pathetic, but that was about to change on this day.
Damn waters, always causing problems for everyone. Especially those tugs in America. Listen, Steve, quit your bitching and focus on the positives. Just because the festivities are cancelled doesn't mean Christmas isn't happening. It's not just because of the festivities. I'm annoyed that the people and not children will miss out on everything we usually do on the festival.
I guess I just didn't think about that before.
I just want everyone to be satisfied. Like me, passengers, me, everyone, you know?
Then what should we do about it? Little did I know, I would find out sooner than I thought. Later that day, I was at the yards with some others. I had tossed around ideas with the others on how to get the supplies we needed for the festivities, which the others were still annoyed about.
Just let it go already, Steve. The celebrations aren't happening this year, and that's that. But I still want everyone to have their party. I still think there has to be something we can do.
Like what? We can't just go into a warehouse and get materials. This is a railway, not a fucking gift shop.
Or can we?
Oh dear, what's your plan, Steve?
Clayton, mate, I just remembered. Chad takes his evening train to the same province every Thursday. If I can take his train for him, I could drop it off there. And then I could get the supplies there.
Well, I guess that idea could work. But the other provinces don't allow visitors except Chad.
So? I could just say that it was a change of plans, and I had to substitute for him.
I don't know, Steve. I'm not sure this plan will work.
Johnny, my boy, all I'll say is, it's worth a shot. No one's around? Well, guess that means I can fetch the coaches now.
Stevie boy, what are you doing with Chatty's coaches?
Noel, my dear senile friend, I'm on a mission to put our Christmas party back on.
You're going to the second Pingus.
Yup.
Well, Steve, if you're going to go to a place that we're forbidden, I'm going with you.
What? I don't need no ass engine like you following me.
You'll need something done to help you on this trip for sure.
Pah, fine, but you're going behind the train.
Oh, behind the train, huh? I'm sure you know an expert that could fit that role.
Pah, old senile fuck.
Steve, what are you doing here? Why are you on Chad's train?
Actually, Smith, I'm taking the coaches. The fit controller asked me to tell you.
Oh, well, if Mr. Leonard told you, then I suppose it's fine. You'll be ready in just a moment.
Right away!
Why, who are you two? Wasn't Chad supposed to come here?
Oh, you didn't hear? Chad's being overhauled right now, so I had to fill in for him.
Well then, what's with the tram engine?
I'm his supervisor. Supervising his ass.
Okay then, last minute call I suppose.
I'm also here to get supplies from Shivers & Co. May I ask where the warehouse is?
One of our shunters can give you the directions, but I must inform you that the usual line to there is under maintenance at the moment. I'm new to this railway, so I can't say for sure if there's any other way to get there.
All right, I'll keep that in mind.
You're a hot station man.
Where will we find a shortcut to the warehouse?
I don't know. Why don't you ask Sir Topham Hatt?
I made a huge mistake agreeing to let you come with me.
Oh, hello there. Your lads looking for something here?
We're looking for a way to Shivers & Co. warehouse.
Oh, well, I'm sorry to tell you this, lads, but there is no other way to get to the warehouse. Except for the old bridge. And I'm pretty sure that one is unstable.
I see. Well, thanks for telling us.
Not really, lad. Hope you two have a Merry Christmas.
Oh, jeez, this is old.
Should we really keep going? Look, listen, Ding Dong. I say we just turn back and do something else tonight. We can go back to the shed and maybe we can start from there.
Pah! Worrying is for wussies, old man.
Fine. It's worth a shot. Phew! That was lucky.
See? I told you we had it.
Only just...
No! Look! We made it to Shivers!
Oh my, you must be here for the party supplies. I thought no one was gonna collect these.
Well, we're here for them.
Well, be careful. The snow is getting heavier, and I don't think your controller would want to dig you lot out.
Thanks for the warning. We'll be careful. Alright, we're approaching the bridge again.
Same way we handled it last time, if you know what I mean.
Oh, bollocks! Stand still, Noel. If we move an inch, we could be done for.
Then you will have to trust me with this, Stevie boy.
But no!
Trust me, Ding Dong!
Well done, Noel. You saved us, mate.
It was nothing big, hunky guy.
So we made our way back to our main station. And were finally able to rest. But then, we were greeted by who else but the Fit Controller. Steve, I am very disappointed in you and Noel. Sneaking off to another province without permission and stealing another engine's train. You both could have been caught and arrested. I thought you at least would have known better, Noel.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Sir, with all due disrespect, Steve only decided to do all of this because he wanted to give it all the townsfolk a good time. Now, I don't know about you, but I think his determination was at least something remarkable. Wouldn't you agree, Santa Claus?
You know what, Noel? You're kinda right. Steve, you and Noel are really useful and reliable engines. And I think that despite breaking the rules and going off to restricted territory, you both did a fine job getting the party supplies here.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Now then, we better get the supplies unloaded and set up quickly. And that night, everything went perfectly. Everyone had a good time, and we all felt happy being able to have the Christmas festival again. During the party, I came up to Noel to speak to him.
I know. I wanted to, say something. I'm sorry for being so rude to you, Noel. Your bravery back there on the bridge was truly remarkable, and you have gained full respect from me now.
I'm happy to know, Steve. You did well yourself. I think me and the others were wrong to doubt you. Only a true engine could pull themselves through something like that.
And that was the whole story. Did you all like it?
That was a fantastic story, Steve.
I definitely loved it.
It was great.
Man, you know what? Telling that story actually made me feel a little better. You were right, Chica. Telling a story helped me a lot.
I knew it would make you happy. And you know what? I think that was the perfect way for us to end the night.
You're right there, Stevie. You know what? Maybe it's not the best time to tell him the truth.
He wouldn't be able to comprehend knowing it. We have to keep this confidential until the right time comes.
Agreed.